Let's solve the last part of this question. So at what level of the uniform, of the cost of the uniform, is the restaurant indifferent between the two types of workers? Now, when will the restaurant be indifferent? The restaurant has to think about his own benefit, and that's the profit. So the profit from hiring people with diploma must be equal to the profit from hiring people without the diploma. Now, what we know is that we have different revenues and different costs in these cases. So let's take everything into account. When we hire people with diploma, what do we have? We have 2 people times 500 euros of revenue. So that's going to be a revenue of 2 multiplied with 500. And what's going to be the cost that we have to keep in mind? Well, we're working with the uniform, so we have to add the uniform cost as well. We have a cost which is the wage of 100 euros. So for 2 people, we have 2 multiplied with 100 plus the cost of the uniform. Let's call that cost of the uniform X. So plus X. That's going to be the cost in this case. Now, this is the profit when we hire people with diploma. This must equal to the profit when we hire people without the diploma. We know that when we hire people without diploma, we are hiring 3 waiters. So we will have 3 waiters that generate us a revenue of 300 euros each. So 3 times 300 minus the cost for 3 people, which is 3 multiplied with the wage of 25 euros each. So that's 25 plus the cost of the uniform, because we also need uniforms for them. So plus X. Now we have to solve this. So we're going to solve this by opening the brackets over here. What do we have? We have 2 times 500. That's going to be 1,000. 1,000 minus, 1,000 minus 2 times 100 over here. That's minus 200. And minus 2 times x. So minus 2x equals to, let's see what we have on the other side. 3 times 300, that's 900. Minus 3 times 25, that's 75. And minus 3 times x, so it's minus 3x. Let's take numbers on one side, the x is on the other side. So what do we get? We have 1,000 minus 200, that's 800 minus 2x is equal to, and over here we have 900 minus 75, that's equal to 825 minus 3x. Okay, now let's bring the numbers on one side. If we take 800 over here, if we take 800 over there, it's going to be 825 minus 800, so that's equal to 25. And if you take the x's on the left side, so we bring minus 3x over there, we have minus 2x plus 3x, and that's equal to x. So what we just found is the answer. That would be the cost of the uniform to make the restaurant indifferent between hiring either 2 waiters with diploma or 3 waiters without the diploma. Hope this makes sense, and we are done.